It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey, Spirit Boosters, welcome. Hey, Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am sharing with you some things that I have picked up from the market because today is Wednesday, which is a new sale. They had some things that I wanted to use for the upcoming holiday, which is called Thanksgiving, not Halloween. Because if I was celebrating Halloween and I could eat all the candy I wanted, yes, you would be seeing bags of chocolates, candies. But I can't, so you ain't going to see no bags of chocolate candies. My grandkids and all, well, I should send them some, but they don't eat no candy. I don't know. Maybe they do. But anyway, here I go mumbling. But let me go back to the video. Today, I am sharing with you a small holiday. Some things are for regular cooking to help add to one of our meals, like biscuits and celery, green onion. So y'all can see, I need to clean up. But anyway, I got some Lano Frogs deli shaved honey turkey lunch meat, smoked, chopped, what is that, pressed cooked ham. That sandwich look good, but I'm not indulging. And I also, this came by the way, this haul is came from Food for Less, shopped by my husband. He's quite the shopper now. But anyway, today is Wednesday. New sale started at Food for Less, so they had a few things that I wanted to use for the holidays. I can't even get the words out. Mostly the cheese and what else did I get? Well, let me start with the cheese. I got 2 bags of Parmesan cheese. They are all, let me see, what size are they? All 8-ounce bags. They 2 for $4. I got Parmesan, 2 bags. I got sharp cheddar, 2 bags. I got some mozzarella, 2 bags. And I have the Mexican blend, 2 bags. Last night, I had made my husband some tacos, and we didn't have any taco cheese, so I had to use some mozzarella, which it wasn't bad because I hooked that meat up. It was some turkey ground, and I seasoned it up. I put some of them jalapenos up in there. And that remind me, I need to get me some more jalapenos. How y'all doing? But anyway, I got the cheese, mostly used for my Thanksgiving coming up. And my husband, he got him some chicken, Louisiana crispy chicken. Oh, he about to fry him some chicken today. I'm baking me some chicken. So he got some spicy recipe. I wonder if he know he got the spicy. But anyway, he got that good chicken fry mix. Y'all want to see some? Let me see. It's about, what's the sodium? It's not bad because it's spread out. It ain't like one person eating it. Well, it's just on the back. They got some other kinds. When you buy this stuff, they sell rice and other kind of fry mixes too. Okay, if anybody wanted to know that. Then at the Food for Less, they had Pillsbury biscuits, crescent rolls, honey, what you call them things, cinnamon rolls. They was buy one get one free. So my husband, he just got them 2 cans of the grand biscuits, because y'all know this for my husband, because you know I'm still changing diet, and I'm not involving myself with any kind of bread. I'm not indulging in any breads right now. I might have a couple of crackers. And I noticed the taco shells, they was low carb, low sodium, no sugar, I think. And I had a couple of them for my tacos yesterday. Doing okay. I'm doing really, really good. Okay, what's happening now? Oh, My husband, he picked up some beef sirloin tri-tip steaks, and that was $13.98, $7.99 a pound. He did look like we're gonna be enjoying some steak, corn on the cob, potato, and a salad. Look at my husband buying steak. He doing so good on these shopping trips. I'm going out myself personally in a few days to go to a store because I want to pick up me some things. Hold up, y'all. I want to pick up me some things and so forth and so forth. But anyway, let me finish this haul up so I can get off here because y'all know I'm entirely busy. Every time I come on here, I'm always busy. He picked up some green onions in this bag here. We got some celery. I got to clean that's my old faithful crock pot needs scrubbing on. But anyway, y'all just see the grease spots on it as I share with you the celery right there. Ha! Then I got I got 10 pounds of tomatoes, which I'm going to be using my dehydrator because I want to make me some tomato powder. I love tomato powder, and I think I might get at least about a half a jar, maybe not, because you know once the stuff I'm gonna grind it up in my Vitamix and put it in a mason jar. But I'm gonna put these on tonight. I guess I'll make a video sharing what it look like when I do it, because I just got that. Not just got it. I got a new food dehydrator. I got the Excalibur, but that thing, oh Lord, I don't want to use that one. I'm gonna use a smaller one. But anyway, I'll share with y'all that later on. Oh, and then my husband, he got the holiday package Frito-Lays, because Food for Less got them chips back on sale. Buy 4, they're $1.99. Now this is this is a 9 1/4 ounce bag. These ain't the big bag. I think this is the biggest bag they might have. But anyway, he got him 2 bags of the chili Frito. Look, that's the holiday. He got him the holiday bag. Ain't he something? Toys for Tots. I guess they supporting that. And when you buy the Fritos, I guess some money goes to the Toys for Tots. So he got him 2 bags of that. Let me back this stuff up so y'all can see. 2 bags of the chili cheese Frito, which he gonna use if he like putting them. He like eating his Fritos with that chili concordi Denison's chili I shared in another video with y'all, previous video. So he also got 2 bags of the Frito Original. They the same size, 9 1/4 ounce bag. You got to buy 4 bags and they be $1.99 each bag when you buy it that way. Other than that, you got to pay full price. So I got something else I need to share with y'all, but that's going to be in a different video. Like I say, I'm going to share with y'all these tomato, how I got them on my dehydrator. And I'm going to do that so I can make me my tomato powder. So I'm glad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Welcome any and all new subscribers. Please, let's stay connected and subscribe. Some of you new subscribers, you're trying to make me do all the work. I don't see you over here as often. I ain't even trying. I just come as often as I can. But I'm not going to do all the work by myself. Please, let's support each other equally. And that'll do it. Y'all know Miss JENITA busy. It's spirit boosting time because I'm excited about getting ready to dehydrate my tomatoes. And if it work out, I might get some more before the sale is over. Okay. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great day. Stay prepared. And happy spirit boosting to you. Bye. Oh, let me mention, least I forget, some of my chicken breasts, I'm going to grind it up into some ground chicken. So I'm going to chill it a little bit and then run it through my machine, my grinder, my KitchenAid, and make me some ground chicken. Loving it. Y'all, I'm still putting up my meat, but I have found out I have 88 chicken legs. And 88 chicken legs, Dana, 100 chicken legs for $15. Holla. Y'all better get y'all credit cards and go to Ralph's or Kroger and get on this chicken sale. I guess it might be going on around the country. I don't know. Y'all got to find out. And if so, let me know in the comments. Bye, y'all. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit